Today's Advent calendar unboxing is from the Marshmallow company. It has 12 different doors to open, and in each one will be a handcrafted gourmet marshmallow. This is the thank you card that they sent. We hope you love your handcrafted sweets. And it just has a little thing that you can tag and follow on social media and scan to reorder, and the socials are down the bottom there. All right, let's start with door number 1 over here. Ooh. Oh gosh, a bit hard to get in. Our first marshmallow is this one here. Looks like maybe a strawberry ripple with chocolate coating. I can't see any name on there. Okay. Door 2 is all the way up here. This marshmallow has a yellow-white streak through it with topping of chocolate. We'll have a look later to see what each of these are. Hopefully there might be something written on the back of the box, and then we can visit that once we've got everything out. Door number 3 is around here somewhere, over here. And we have this one here. So it's kind of a darky orangey colour with the chocolate on top and some white through it. Door number 4 is over here. It's a nice white fluffy one with chocolate and hundreds and thousands, or sprinkles depending on where you come from. Door 5 is down here. Door 5, we have it's a bit melted there, a white and pink marshmallow with chocolate on top. It also looks like it's got a little bit of salt on there, or sugar possibly. 5. Number 6 is up here. Number 6 is a bright pink one with a tiny bit of white through it and some chocolate on top as well. Door 7. It's hard to get into, but at least it's kept it really fresh. Now we have a really rich sort of golden colour with chocolate on top. Door 8 is this one here. And here we have a rather dark brown with chocolate on top. Right, moving on to number 9. This is right here. Oh. Another one that's a bit melted. And this is kind of like a light purple colour with chocolate on top. Number 10. Number 10 is this yellowy lemony colour, and this one also has chocolate on top. Clear up all these sprinkles. Right, up in the right top left we have door 11, and what was the stuck? And this one is a bright pink or red with chocolate on top. And for the last door here, which is a really big door, let's see what's behind this door. We have what looks to be a rather large gingerbread. I can smell the cinnamon from here, so I would say it is a gingerbread man. Okay, I'm going to move this box out of the way and just pop my man here. And so we have, oops, he doesn't want to stand. Gingerbread, cherry, pineapple, blueberry, chocolate, caramel, raspberry, strawberry and cream, birthday cake, butterscotch, lemon meringue, and candy cane. So they say how to enjoy our marshmallows. Place your marshmallows on a stick and hold it over a fire until your desired toastiness. Or you can simply place them into your hot drink of hot chocolate, coffee or tea until it's gooey. You can make a small with 2 graham crackers, an extra bit of chocolate and 1 marshmallow, or top it off your favourite cocktail. Just let's go in a little bit closer. And that's everything we received from the Marshmallow Company.